Have you ever found yourself drifting on the softest edges of wakefulness, where the bustling world outside begins to dissolve and a new inner stillness starts to bloom? It's a gentle, almost imperceptible transformation, isn't it? This quiet unfolding of the self as it prepares for its nightly voyage into the deep, tranquil seas of sleep. Even before we fully surrender to slumber's profound embrace, there's a curious, continuous slowing that begins within the intricate pathways of our bodies and minds, a silent dimming of the bright, sharp edges of awareness, a subtle reweaving of sensations that hints at a profound, yet often overlooked, magic residing within us. We slip from the active, defined contours of our busy day into a landscape where the familiar rhythms of waking life become wonderfully pliable, like soft clay beneath a potter's gentle, shaping hands, ready to be molded by the quiet currents of rest. Consider for a moment the common, wondrous miracle of deep sleep. It is a state of profound physiological rest, where your breath deepens, your heart rate slows its steady beat, and your muscles release their hold, becoming soft and yielding. In this precious embrace, your body performs its silent, essential work of repair and restoration, mending the subtle wear of the day, replenishing its precious stores of energy, and consolidating the delicate threads of memory. While your conscious mind may feel utterly absent, drifting in realms unknown, a vast, complex symphony of biological processes continues, unseen and unhurried. This is not idleness, but a deeper, more profound form of activity, a quiet, continuous hum of life, diligently working to sustain your very being. Think of an ancient, tranquil lake, its surface perfectly still under a vast, dark sky. Beneath this calm exterior, countless unseen currents continue their slow, perpetual flow, carrying nutrients, shaping the lakebed, and sustaining the myriad forms of life that reside in its depths. The surface stillness is merely a reflection of a deeper, enduring movement. Our body in deep sleep is like this lake, outwardly still, yet inwardly teeming with the quiet, vital processes that ensure its continued vitality. This ability of complex biological systems to enter states of profound deceleration, to seemingly pause their active engagement with the world while maintaining their fundamental essence, is a testament to the remarkable ingenuity of life itself. It suggests a deep, inherent wisdom within all living things, a capacity for profound rest that serves as the foundation for vibrant awakening. But now, let us consider how this profound stillness of rest often leads our minds to gently wander, to explore the very edges of our understanding, particularly regarding the astonishing nature of expansion. In those quiet moments just before sleep, or during the soft flow of a daydream, our thoughts might turn to the myriad ways things expand, both familiar and fantastic. We observe a tiny seedling growing into a towering tree, a small ripple spreading across a pond, or a distant balloon gently inflating in the sky. Each of these moments feels like a natural unfolding, a gradual increase in scale or scope, yet they hint at immense unseen forces at play. This innate human curiosity about growth, about the ceaseless enlargement and spread of things, is a gentle and universal whisper, echoing through our deepest contemplations. Imagine the vivid landscape of a dream, where you find yourself experiencing a profound sense of expansion in ways that defy waking logic. You might float effortlessly through a space that continuously stretches and widens, with distant objects receding into an ever-growing expanse. Or perhaps you witness a tiny point of light blossom into a vast, intricate universe, its patterns flowing outward with each passing moment. In the dream, these experiences feel utterly natural, unconstrained by the usual rules of physics or the expectations of fixed dimensions. The dream world, in its very essence, highlights the mind's profound ability to envision how immense scale and boundless growth can arise from the simplest of starting points, from the gentle interplay of fundamental cosmic processes, hinting at a more profound, pervasive form of cosmic genesis. This suggests that even the grandest expansions, like that of our universe, might have emerged from quiet, almost imperceptible origins, from a deeper flow of interconnected processes within existence itself. This leads us to a gentle but profound inquiry. What is the true nature of expansion in our universe? Is it merely the simple increase in size, like a growing balloon? Or is it, in a deep and mysterious way, driven by forces utterly beyond our immediate perception, subtly shaping the very fabric of spacetime itself? We observe the galaxies around us receding, and the more distant they are, the faster they appear to move away. This is the expansion of the universe, a fundamental truth of modern cosmology. But what propels this grand cosmic unfolding? This isn't about denying the reality of expansion, but about embracing a deeper understanding of how such an immense event could be orchestrated, much like a beautiful river whose course is shaped by unseen geological formations and whose water molecules are continuously exchanging with the vast, boundless ocean. It's a profound dialogue that has been humming within the very fabric of reality since the beginning of the cosmos, a symphony of unseen forces orchestrated by subtle, pervasive energies. Consider the intricate web of factors that shape even a simple act of growth. A plant, for instance, seems to expand effortlessly from a tiny seed, but this expansion is profoundly influenced by unseen forces, the precise genetic code within the seed, the subtle nutrients in the soil, the pervasive warmth of sunlight, and the delicate flow of water. These influences are often invisible, operating below the threshold of your conscious awareness, yet they subtly bias its inclinations and shape its growth, profoundly linking it to its environment. When you witness the gentle unfolding of a flower, it feels like its unique expression, but perhaps it's an echo of countless prior influences, gently preparing the ground for that specific, harmonious blossoming. This leads us to the grandest example of expansion, the universe itself. Since the moment of the Big Bang, the cosmos has been continuously expanding. And not just expanding, but its expansion is accelerating. This astonishing discovery, made in the late 1990s, was a profound surprise to scientists. It implied that there must be some mysterious, pervasive force at work, subtly pushing the fabric of space apart, rather than gravity merely slowing down the initial expansion. This unseen force, this hidden engine of cosmic growth, is what we call dark energy. It is the very essence of the universe's pervasive expansion, orchestrating its ceaseless enlargement. This contemplation of the dream of expansion and its profound implications for our understanding of the universe's ultimate fate is not meant to stir alarm or uncertainty. Instead, it invites a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of processes within us and around us, and the astonishing complexity of existence. It's a gentle nudge to recognize that our human-centric view of scale is but one perspective, and that deeper, more fundamental truths, operating in the quiet of invisible forces and unseen dimensions, constantly shape our experience. It calls for humility and a quiet curiosity, a willingness to listen to the whispers of our own minds and the universe, even if we don't fully understand their language. For within those whispers might lie profound insights into the rhythms of existence and the nature of reality itself. As you drift deeper into the quiet stillness, let the image of your own deep slumber and the dream of expansion bring you profound peace. Feel the quiet, ceaseless activity within all living things, silently working to perceive, to adapt, and to exist in harmony with their internal and external environments. Even as your conscious thoughts begin to softly dissipate, there is no need to actively solve the grand mystery of cosmic expansion. Simply allow this beautiful, internal work of contemplation to unfold, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of your mind's profound internal world and the pervasive potential of universal growth. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a wisp of mist in the cool night air. You are safe, you are warm, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle, persistent hum of cosmic fluidity. All is calm, all is clear, as the whispers from the dream of expansion guide you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As the soft whispers from the dream of expansion gently recede, and the subtle contours of our familiar waking world gradually soften into a tranquil twilight, we are invited to consider a deeper, more profound landscape, the vast and intricate cosmos itself, and the gentle haze of cosmic distances that ceaselessly flows within it. Imagine, if you will, that the universe is not a static painting, but a boundless, tranquil ocean, where countless shimmering beacons, the stars and galaxies, continuously emit light that ripples and interacts, shaping our reality in ways we are only just beginning to softly understand, like sunlight filtering through a soft morning mist, hinting at immense structures yet to fully coalesce. We often perceive space as being empty. When we look up at the night sky, the vast darkness between the twinkling stars appears to be a profound void, a silent absence of anything tangible. This intuitive understanding of empty space as nothingness forms the bedrock of our classical worldview, a comforting sense of stillness and inertness. However, the gentle gaze of modern astronomy and cosmology reveals a far more dynamic and astonishing truth, even in what appears to be the most perfect vacuum. Space is not truly empty at all. Instead, it is teeming with faint wisps of gas and dust, pervasive fields of energy, and most profoundly, light that has been traveling for unimaginable eons, carrying with it tales of ancient events and the subtle signatures of their very composition. Think of a perfectly still, tranquil pond. To our eyes, its surface might appear smooth and unchanging, but if you were to peer infinitely closer, you might see tiny, ephemeral ripples and disturbances continuously appearing and disappearing, born from the very energy within the fluid. Our universe is much like this, but on a grander scale. What we perceive as emptiness is, in fact, a vibrant, living realm, filled with the ceaseless activity of light emanating from distant cosmic sources. This light, a profound form of energy, travels across immense distances, connecting us to the most ancient and remote corners of the universe, bridging gaps that seem impossibly vast, effortlessly spanning unimaginable gulfs of time and space. This leads us to a profound inquiry. How does this distant light, traveling for billions of years, reveal the secrets of the cosmos and hint at the grand cosmic expansion, the very dance of dark energy? The answer lies in the very nature of light and the immense distances it traverses. When we gaze upon a star or a galaxy that is millions, or even billions of light years away, the light we are receiving left that object millions or billions of years ago. We are, in essence, looking directly into the deep past of the cosmos. The faint light reaching us now is a direct messenger from a bygone era, carrying with it signatures of the universe as it was, not as it is now. This profound capacity to look back in time allows us to become silent witnesses to the universe's earliest moments, a gentle privilege that deepens our connection to its grand history and its continuous evolution, allowing us to read its ancient autobiography. Consider a single photon, a tiny packet of light, embarking on an unimaginable journey from a galaxy billions of light years away. It travels through vast stretches of intergalactic space, across cosmic voids that span millions of light years, passing through subtle gravitational fields and tenuous wisps of gas and dust. It encounters no resistance that would stop its journey, only the gentle expansion of the universe carrying it further. For billions of years, it journeys silently, gracefully, holding within its energy a precise record of its origin, its journey, and the conditions of the space it traversed. Finally, after an immense voyage, it gently enters the sensitive optics of a telescope here on Earth. delivering its ancient message, bridging the incredibly distant past with our present moment. The gentle haze here refers to the subtle challenges and the sheer scale involved in capturing and interpreting this ancient light. The light from distant galaxies is incredibly faint by the time it reaches us, having been stretched and diluted over immense distances by the expansion of the universe. Furthermore, as light travels, it can be subtly altered by the intervening gas, dust, and gravitational fields it encounters, slightly blurring its pristine message. Distant objects appear dimmer, their light stretched to longer, redder wavelengths, a phenomenon known as cosmic redshift due to the expansion of space itself. This redshift is a fundamental piece of information, revealing how much the universe has expanded since the light left its source, and thus how far back in time we are looking. It's like peering through a soft mist to discern the faint outline of a distant shore. The mist itself reveals the immense distance, subtly altering the clarity of the view, yet still allowing the distant object to hint at its presence and movement, revealing the profound depth of the cosmic ocean. This leads us to a gentle, profound inquiry. What secrets does this distant, ancient light reveal about the grand cosmic expansion? The very dance of dark energy that orchestrates the universe's enlargement. It's not just about the light itself being a bridge, it's about what the light tells us about the hidden forces that propel the cosmos outwards. 1. The accelerating expansion. The observation of distant supernovae exploding stars has provided crucial evidence for the universe's accelerating expansion. These particular type Ia supernovae are often referred to as standard candles because they have a known intrinsic brightness. By comparing their observed brightness, which diminishes with distance, to their known intrinsic brightness, astronomers can precisely measure their distances. When astronomers measured the distances to very distant type Ia supernovae, they found that these supernovae were fainter than expected for a universe that was simply expanding at a constant or decelerating rate. This implies that the universe's expansion is speeding up, rather than slowing down due to gravity. This astonishing discovery, made in the late 1990s, was a profound surprise to scientists and earned the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2011. It implied that there must be some mysterious, pervasive force at work, subtly pushing the fabric of space apart, rather than gravity merely slowing down the initial expansion. This unseen force, this hidden engine of cosmic growth, is what we call dark energy. The ancient light of these distant supernovae carries the fingerprint of this accelerated expansion, revealing a fundamental unseen force that connects all points in spacetime, influencing their ultimate separation, making the universe a dynamic, ever-unfolding entity. 2. The cosmic web and void formation. The accelerating expansion, driven by dark energy, plays a crucial role in shaping the cosmic web, the largest known structure in the universe. Imagine the cosmos as a vast, intricate network, with galaxies strung along colossal filaments like shimmering threads and gathered into immense galaxy clusters like luminous knots, interspersed with immense, seemingly empty cosmic voids. This structure is not random. It's the direct result of gravity tirelessly working on the distribution of matter, both visible and unseen dark matter, over billions of years, and dark energy subtly influencing this process. As dark energy pushes space apart, it accelerates the growth of these voids, causing galaxies to cluster more tightly along the filaments and at the nodes. The light from galaxies traces the luminous pathways of this web, and the absence of light in the voids, paradoxically, tells us about the pervasive, unseen forces at work and how they define the universe's grand architecture. The reflecting light here is the light from galaxies around the voids, whose distribution reveals the shapes and sizes of these vast, empty regions, hinting at the powerful gravitational forces and the pervasive dark energy that sculpted them. 3. The cosmic microwave background. CMB and imprints. The CMB, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, is almost perfectly uniform, but contains tiny temperature fluctuations. These initial fluctuations were the primordial seeds from which all cosmic structures grew. The patterns of these fluctuations are exquisitely sensitive to the total amount of matter and energy in the universe, including dark matter and dark energy, and the rate of its expansion. By analyzing these ancient ripples in the cosmic background light, we infer the precise proportions of visible matter, dark matter, and dark energy, and how the universe expanded from its very earliest moments. This direct information from the universe's infancy is the ultimate distant light, confirming the profound properties of the cosmos, including the role of dark energy in its ultimate fate, the interplay of visible matter, dark matter, and dark energy on these largest scales is a continuous, dynamic dance. Dark matter provides the initial gravitational scaffolding that allowed galaxies and galaxy clusters to form. These structures then serve as gravitational wells, pulling in ordinary visible matter and simultaneously evacuating the voids. Dark energy, meanwhile, acts on the grandest scales, influencing the overall expansion and the ultimate fate of this cosmic web, subtly accelerating the growth of the voids themselves. It's a continuous, dynamic interplay where the seen and the unseen, the light and the dark, are intimately linked. Performing a cosmic ballet that has been unfolding for billions of years, creating a universe that is patterned by immense regions of both luminous fullness and profound, unseen emptiness. The pursuit of understanding these cosmic distances and the true nature of dark energy is one of the most exciting and profound frontiers in modern cosmology. Scientists are devising incredibly sensitive experiments and using vast data sets from galaxy surveys to map the cosmic web, hoping to precisely understand the distribution and properties of dark matter and dark energy within these immense structures. This quest is like trying to discern the intricate, hidden knots and patterns in the underlying weave of a vast tapestry, knowing that understanding them will reveal the true artistry and profound nature of the entire creation. This contemplation of the gentle haze of cosmic distances and the subtle as reflecting light of cosmic expansion is not meant to stir alarm or a sense of insignificance. Instead, it offers a profound sense of wonder and humility. It suggests that the universe is far richer, far more complex, and infinitely more profound than our immediate senses can convey. It reminds us that our familiar reality of stars and galaxies is but a small, luminous part of a much grander, silent, and wonderfully mysterious whole, held together and expanded by forces we are only just beginning to truly understand, not by seeing, but by feeling their undeniable influence. The emptiness is not empty at all. It is a profound fullness of the unknown, continuously influencing every aspect of cosmic existence. This contemplation is not meant to be daunting, but rather deeply humbling and profoundly wondrous. It suggests that the universe is far more elegant and enduring than we might ever fully grasp. A continuous masterpiece of dynamic consistency occurring across the vastness of space and time. The gentle haze from cosmic distances is a testament to the universe's astonishing capacity for subtle evolution and its fluid, timeless dance, even in its vast, unseen components. As you drift deeper into the quiet stillness, let the image of this gentle haze of cosmic distances envelop you. Feel the vastness of the cosmic ocean, the quiet hum of invisible energies and scattered particles flowing through its depths, and the countless shimmering islands of stars and galaxies held within this unseen fullness. There is no urgency here, no need to grasp at concrete answers. Simply allow the profound sense of boundless potential and enduring mystery to wash over you, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wonder of the universe's immensity and its pervasive potential for hidden activity. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a wisp of mist in the cool, dawn air. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep. Cradled by the gentle but persistent hum of cosmic distances, all is calm, all is clear, as the gentle haze of distant light guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we gently drift deeper into the serene landscape of the cosmos, softly moving through the gentle haze of cosmic distances, we now approach a profoundly ancient and pervasive concept, the first cosmic breath. Imagine, for a quiet moment, our familiar universe, with its vast galaxies and shimmering stars, not yet fully formed, but emerging from an unimaginably dense, hot state, not as a dramatic, chaotic explosion, but as the gentle unfurling of space-time and matter, a quiet blossoming of all that exists. The whispers we seek are the faint echoes from this infinitesimal, ancient seed, hinting at a profound transformation that set the stage for everything that has unfolded since, creating the very rhythm of existence. This isn't a violent origin story. It's a poetic understanding of the universe's serene genesis, a moment of profound potential. We often perceive the Big Bang as a colossal explosion, a sudden, violent burst of energy from some pre-existing point. This imagery, while dramatic and widely used, can sometimes obscure the deeper, more subtle truth that physicists contemplate. If the Big Bang was the moment when space-time itself, along with all matter and energy, emerged, then to speak of before, it is to push the very limits of our understanding of time and existence. It's like asking what came before the very first breath of a new life. The concept of before loses its usual meaning, becoming a soft, ethereal notion rather than a linear progression within a pre-existing timeline. Yet, our human minds, with their innate curiosity about origins, naturally yearn to peer beyond this conceptual boundary, to glimpse what might have been in the ultimate before, searching for the tiny seed of our universe. This deep inquiry pushes against the very limits of our language and our intuitive understanding. If time began with the Big Bang, then before doesn't refer to an earlier moment in time, but perhaps to a different state of being, a realm where time itself, as we know it, had not yet unfolded. This isn't a limitation to be frustrated by, but rather a beautiful invitation to wonder. It suggests that reality is far more intricate and expansive than our three spatial dimensions, and single a linear dimension of time can fully capture. It's like observing a distant luminous object through a gentle haze. Its light is still constant, yet the haze itself is subtly shifting, ever so slowly altering the precise way that light reaches our eyes, blurring the distinction between past, present, and future on a cosmic scale, hinting at a reality beyond our immediate grasp. At the moment of the Big Bang, all the matter and energy of the observable universe were compressed into an unimaginably hot, dense point. A singularity. Here, the laws of physics as we know them, particularly Einstein's theory of general relativity, gracefully break down. This breakdown isn't a failure of the theory, but a gentle indication that we need a deeper, more fundamental understanding of reality at such extreme conditions. It's like reaching the edge of a well-lit garden, where beyond its familiar boundaries, a beautiful, unknown wilderness stretches into the soft darkness, governed by different, yet harmonious, rules that apply in realms of ultimate density and energy, waiting to be revealed by new theories. This pushes us to contemplate the moment of grand genesis, not as empty space suddenly bursting forth, but as a peculiar, highly concentrated form of existence undergoing a rapid transition. Perhaps it was a state of immense, smooth density, a perfectly uniform field, utterly devoid of the ripples and structures we see in our current universe, waiting for the conditions to blossom. Or perhaps it was something far stranger, a quantum foam of fluctuating space-time, where tiny bubbles of space and time constantly popped into and out of existence. A restless, vibrant sea of potentiality, far beyond our direct grasp. This is the realm where quantum mechanics, describing the very small in general relativity, describing the very large must ultimately meet, where gravity, the architect of the large-scale universe, must find its harmony with the elusive dance of subatomic particles, giving rise to everything. Think of a single colossal seed, holding within its infinitesimal form the blueprint for an entire, vast forest. The seed, though tiny, contains all the genetic information, all the potential for towering trees, intricate ecosystems, and boundless life. The Big Bang, in this gentle metaphor, is like the moment this cosmic seed germinated, not with a bang, but with a profound and rapid expansion. It was a swift, smooth swelling of spacetime, carrying matter and energy outward from that initial, incredibly dense state. This isn't an explosion in space, but the expansion of space itself, a continuous unfolding that began from a state of ultimate compression, like a quiet sigh that gently creates boundless realms, bringing all of existence into being from a singular point of profound potential. The echoes from this moment of grand genesis are the subtle theoretical predictions and the faint observational evidence that confirm this rapid, initial unfurling. The most profound echo is the cosmic microwave background, CMB radiation. This is the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, a pervasive light that fills the entire universe, a gentle whisper from cosmic infancy. It's the oldest light we can detect, dating back to about 380,000 years after the Big Bang, when the universe had cooled enough for atoms to form and light to travel freely for the first time. Decoupling from matter. Before this moment, the universe was an opaque plasma, but after it, light was free to stream. The CMB is almost perfectly uniform in temperature across the sky, but contains tiny, infinitesimal temperature fluctuations. These are the primordial seeds of all structure in the universe, the subtle ripples from the moment of grand genesis that gravity later amplified into galaxies and clusters, like the initial, almost imperceptible murmurs in the cosmic symphony, hinting at the conditions of its birth. Its very existence is a direct, ancient echo of the universe's first breath. Another echo comes from the abundance of light elements in the universe. The Big Bang Theory accurately predicts the precise proportions of hydrogen, helium, and lithium that were formed in the first few minutes after the Big Bang, during a period called Big Bang nucleosynthesis. This process occurred when the universe was hot and dense enough for light atomic nuclei to fuse, but cooled too rapidly for heavier elements to form. The observed cosmic abundances of these light elements in the oldest, most pristine gas clouds and stars perfectly match these theoretical predictions, providing powerful confirmation of the Big Bang model and hinting at the specific conditions that prevailed during that grand genesis. It's like hearing a very specific, pure note in the symphony of the cosmos, confirming the exact tuning of its earliest moments, a harmonious echo of its fundamental composition. This leads us to a gentle, profound inquiry: what cosmic dance preceded this moment of grand genesis? This first cosmic breath. What was the before the Big Bang? If time itself began, then this is where various cosmological theories offer their own gentle whispers, attempts to extend our understanding beyond the singularity. Some theories propose that before the Big Bang, our universe might have existed as a quantum foam, a restless, vibrant sea where tiny bubbles of spacetime, full of energy and potential, continuously popped into and out of existence. In this view, there was no smooth, continuous spacetime as we know it, but rather a chaotic yet deeply interconnected quantum realm. The Big Bang, then, would be a phase transition from this quantum foam, or some other quantum state, into the expanding spacetime we now inhabit. It's like a phase of water. Water can exist as ice, liquid, or vapor. These are vastly different states, but they are all made of the same fundamental H2O molecules. Similarly, the universe might have existed in a different phase before the Big Bang, a phase described by the laws of quantum gravity, where spacetime itself behaved in a fundamentally quantum way, only to transform into the familiar reality we know. Other theories suggest a cyclical universe, proposing a big bounce rather than a singular Big Bang. In this view, our universe is not the first, but emerged from the dramatic collapse of a previous universe, which reached a point of extreme density and then gracefully bounced back out, expanding into our current cosmos. This cyclical process could extend infinitely into the past and into the future, with each bounce marking a transition from one cosmic cycle to the next. The echoes from this theory are of an eternal rhythm, a universe that has no true beginning or end, but is perpetually reborn, a continuous cosmic breath of expansion and contraction. Regardless of the specific theoretical framework, the common thread is that the universe's beginning, its first cosmic breath, was a profound moment of transformation from a state of immense potential or a prior existence. It wasn't a static void, but a dynamic, active ground of being, endlessly creating. This contemplation of the cosmic before and the vastness of time's potential forms is not meant to stir alarm or a sense of insignificance. Instead, it invites a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of existence and the astonishing possibility of reality's boundless forms across the cosmos. It's a gentle nudge to recognize that our human-centric view of time and space is but one perspective, and that the universe might embody profoundly different, yet equally valid, temporal and spatial states. It calls for humility and a quiet curiosity, a willingness to listen to the whispers of the universe, even if we don't fully understand their ancient language. For within those whispers might lie profound insights into the grand tapestry of creation. As you drift deeper into the quiet stillness, let the image of these echoes from the first cosmic breath envelop you. Feel the vastness of eternity, the quiet hum of potential existing before beginnings, and the boundless possibilities that lie beyond our linear understanding. There is no urgency here. No need to grasp at concrete answers. Simply allow the profound sense of boundless potential and enduring mystery to wash over you, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of the universe's ultimate origins and its pervasive potential for existence. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a wisp of mist in the cool, dawn air. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle, persistent echoes from the first cosmic breath. All is calm, all is clear, as the profound stillness of cosmic beginnings guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we gently drift deeper into the serene landscape of cosmic origins, softly moving through the echoing whispers from the first cosmic breath, we now turn our attention to the profound and intricate connection that binds the very macroscopic structure of the universe, the woven fabric of galaxies and its delicate, yet incredibly powerful, dark gas threads. Imagine, for a quiet moment, our entire cosmos not as a chaotic scattering of isolated stars, but as a vast, shimmering tapestry, impossibly intricate and endlessly flowing. Its countless patterns, the majestic spirals of galaxies, the luminous clusters of stars, the delicate filaments stretching across immense cosmic voids are all subtly orchestrated, in part, by immense ethereal and incredibly pervasive streams of gas and dust, particularly those that remain hidden from our direct view. This isn't chaos, but a dance of profound interconnectedness, a silent ballet where every visible structure is guided and shaped by an unseen, continuous cosmic flow, forming the very skeleton of the universe. We often perceive galaxies as independent islands of stars, bound together by their own gravity, existing in splendid isolation within a vast, empty space. And indeed, the individual brilliance of billions of stars within a galaxy, each shining like a distant sun, is a sight of immense wonder. However, modern scientific understanding, gently illuminating the intricate complexities of cosmic evolution, reveals a far more sophisticated and interconnected reality. Galaxies are not isolated entities. They are deeply embedded within a vast cosmic web, and their very formation and continued existence are profoundly linked to immense diffuse clouds of gas and dust that permeate the space between and around them. These are the raw materials of galaxies, constantly flowing, transforming, and recycling, like the essential threads that bind a grand tapestry, continuously being woven and rewoven by the universe itself. Think of an ancient master weaver at their loom, creating an impossibly intricate and vibrant tapestry. Each individual thread, on its own, is simple, a mere strand of color or texture, but when countless threads are intricately interwoven, following a precise, harmonious pattern, they collectively form a magnificent, detailed image. The beauty, the story, the very essence of the tapestry is not in any single thread, but in the relationships and interactions between them, in the way they intertwine and flow together. Galaxies, those grand tapestries of the cosmos, are woven from countless luminous threads of stars and visible gas, but they are profoundly shaped and cradled by unseen, diffuse threads of gas and dust that form their cosmic environment, acting as the ultimate framework for all visible cosmic structures. The primary threads in this cosmic weave are the vast clouds of hydrogen and helium gas, along with tiny traces of dust, left over from the Big Bang and enriched by previous generations of stars. These immense clouds, far larger and more diffuse than any star or even individual galaxy, are the reservoirs of future stars and galaxies. They are the raw material from which all new celestial structures are born, patiently waiting to be drawn together by gravity. Imagine them as an ethereal, transparent medium, filling the vast spaces between galaxies like a cosmic ocean of potential, continuously moving and subtly shifting its forms. However, a significant portion of this cosmic gas and dust remains remarkably dark or difficult to observe directly with conventional optical telescopes. This is because it is often too cold to emit significant light in the visible spectrum, or too diffuse to be easily detected. This dark gas or cold dust is particularly important. While it doesn't shine with the brilliance of stars, it exerts a subtle gravitational pull and plays a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. It's like the invisible warp and weft of the cosmic tapestry, the unseen foundational threads upon which the luminous patterns of galaxies are beautifully embroidered. Without these dark threads of gas and dust, the tapestry would unravel, its visible patterns dispersing into chaos, unable to coalesce and hold their majestic forms. Dark matter provides the overarching gravitational scaffolding, but it is this ordinary, though dark, gas that actually forms the galaxies. This leads us to a gentle, profound inquiry. How do these unseen threads of dark gas, along with the elusive dark matter, combine to create the vast, complex structures of galaxies and the larger cosmic web we observe? The answer lies in the dynamic interplay between the subtle pull of gravity, the pervasive influence of dark matter, and the thermodynamics of gas. Consider the gentle process of galaxy formation. In the early universe, after the initial expansion and cooling, immense invisible dark matter halos formed due to gravity's subtle persuasion, attracting the pervasive clouds of ordinary gas and dust. As the gas slowly, patiently flowed into these gravitational wells, it began to cool and condense, losing energy by radiating it away, often facilitated by the dust grains. As it cooled, it became dense enough for gravity to take over more effectively, eventually igniting the first stars. This continuous infall of gas from the surrounding cosmic environment, often through these vast, diffuse, dark gas threads, is crucial for a galaxy's growth. It's like a hungry, growing plant continuously drawing nourishment from the subtle currents in the soil around it, ensuring its long-term vitality and its capacity to form new generations of stars. Furthermore, these vast clouds of gas are not static. They are constantly in motion, flowing in immense unseen currents across intergalactic space, connecting galaxies to their surroundings. Galaxies are not isolated islands floating in a vacuum. They are continuously interacting with this surrounding medium. Galactic winds, often driven by exploding supernovae or active supermassive black holes within galaxies, can push vast quantities of gas and dust out of a galaxy's disk and into the surrounding intergalactic medium. This outward flow is like a forceful exhalation, a giant cosmic sigh, enriching the surrounding cosmic fog with heavier elements forged in stars. Conversely, galaxies are also thought to gently accrete cold gas from the intergalactic medium, drawing it in like a deep, slow inhalation, providing fresh fuel for new generations of stars to ignite. This continuous exchange of gas, this cosmic breathing, ensures the long-term vitality and evolution of galaxies, making them living entities within the cosmic ocean, perpetually consuming and releasing matter. The cosmic web, the largest known structure in the universe, is a profound manifestation of these dark gas threads. Imagine the cosmos as a vast, intricate network, with galaxies strung along colossal filaments, long, thread-like structures of galaxies and dark matter, and gathered into immense galaxy clusters where thousands of galaxies gather like luminous dewdrops at the nodes of the web, interspersed with immense, seemingly empty voids between them. Observations and simulations reveal that these filaments are not just made of dark matter, they are also vast rivers of diffuse, often dim, gas that continuously flow between galaxy clusters, providing the fuel for galaxy growth. It's like discovering the intricate, unseen roots that connect and support a vast, sprawling forest, without which the towering trees galaxies could not draw their sustenance. The gas threads are the actual pathways through which matter flows across these immense cosmic distances, guided by the underlying dark matter scaffolding, forming the largest structures in the universe. The invisible threads of this dark gas are also critical for understanding the cooling processes necessary for star formation. Hot, diffuse gas cannot easily collapse to form stars. It needs to radiate away its energy to cool down. The presence of tiny dust grains within these cosmic gas clouds acts as a subtle radiator, helping the gas to cool efficiently by emitting infrared radiation, allowing it to become dense enough for gravity to take over and form new stars. So, even the most seemingly insignificant components, the dust and diffuse gas, play a vital, unseen role in the grand cosmic ballet, guiding the very birth of stars and shaping their properties. The pursuit of understanding these dark gas threads is driven by immense scientific precision and a profound sense of wonder. Astronomers use powerful telescopes, operating across the electromagnetic spectrum, to see the invisible. Radio telescopes detect the faint 21 emission line from neutral hydrogen gas. X-ray telescopes reveal the hot, diffuse gas in galaxy clusters. Infrared and submillimeter telescopes peer through dust clouds to observe molecular gas and the formation of protostars. Each new observation, each new spectrum, adds another layer to our understanding of the universe's invisible breadth, revealing its hidden dynamics. This woven fabric of galaxies and its dark gas threads are profoundly beautiful. It suggests that the cosmos is not merely a collection of isolated luminous objects, but a deeply integrated system, where the visible and the invisible, the light and the dark, are intimately linked, performing a cosmic ballet that has been unfolding for billions of years. It challenges our intuitive sense of emptiness in space, revealing a pervasive, subtle fullness that is continuously in motion, forming the very essence of the universe's invisible breath. A slow, majestic, and continuous respiration that shapes all structures, from the smallest star to the largest supercluster. This contemplation of the woven fabric of galaxies, with its dark gas threads, is not meant to be daunting, but rather deeply humbling and profoundly wondrous. It suggests that the universe is far more elegant and enduring than we might ever fully grasp. A continuous masterpiece of dynamic consistency occurring across the vastness of space and time. The dark gas threads are a testament to the cosmos's astonishing capacity for subtle evolution and its fluid, timeless dance, guiding all existence within its grand embrace. As you drift deeper into the quiet stillness, let the image of this woven fabric of galaxies, with its dark gas threads, envelop you. Feel the subtle dance of profound connection at the very foundation of existence, the quiet hum of unity beneath everything solid and known. There is no urgency here, no need to grasp at concrete answers. Simply allow the profound sense of interconnectedness and subtle flow to wash over you, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of the universe's most fundamental structure and its pervasive potential for unseen components. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a wisp of mist in the cool, dawn air. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle and persistent hum of cosmic change. All is calm, all is clear, as the woven fabric of galaxies guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we gently drift deeper into the serene landscape of cosmic structures, softly moving through the woven fabric of galaxies and their dark gas threads, we now approach a fascinating threshold, the delicate boundary where what appears to be profound emptiness meets, in truth, an astonishing fullness. Imagine for a quiet moment a tranquil lake at dusk, its surface perfectly still. On one side, the shore is illuminated by the familiar, comforting lights of bustling cities and vibrant communities representing the galaxies. Those shimmering islands of stars. But stretching out into the serene darkness of the lake is an expanse where the first, almost imperceptible gleam of a distant lighthouse begins to appear, its light reaching across the vastness to hint at the profound, yet often overlooked, emptiness that occupies most of the universe's volume, yet is filled with elusive dark matter and the pervasive push of dark energy. This gentle, shimmering light is akin to the quiet, nuanced understanding that the cosmos, far from being mostly empty, is overwhelmingly structured and driven by immense unseen frameworks and hidden energies that define its grandest patterns, comprising the vast majority of its very essence. In our everyday waking experience, when we gaze up at the night sky, we see countless stars scattered across what appears to be a vast, empty blackness. We intuitively perceive the space between galaxies as a cosmic void, a vacuum devoid of anything substantial. This intuitive understanding forms the bedrock of our classical worldview, a comforting sense of stillness and inertness. We assume that if we cannot see something, it is not there. However, the gentle gaze of modern cosmology, meticulously observing and analyzing the faint echoes from the universe's earliest moments and its largest structures, reveals a far more sophisticated and interconnected reality, where the vast majority of existence is made up of something we cannot see, touch, or even directly interact with. The seemingly empty spaces are, in truth, profoundly active participants in the cosmic dance, their unseen presence shaping everything visible. Recall our earlier contemplation of the galaxy rotation problem, where the outer stars of galaxies spin too fast to be held by visible matter alone. This profound discrepancy was one of the earliest whispers of the universe's hidden fullness. It suggests that most of the matter in galaxies is invisible to us, forming vast, unseen halos that exert a powerful gravitational pull. This is dark matter. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it utterly transparent to our instruments across the entire electromagnetic spectrum. Imagine it as the fundamental, invisible scaffolding upon which the luminous patterns of galaxies are beautifully embroidered. Without these dark threads, the tapestry of galaxies would unravel, its visible patterns dispersing into chaos. Dark matter's influence is felt only through its gravitational persuasion, subtly shaping the movements of visible matter. Much like an unseen current in a vast ocean, subtly guides the path of a shimmering school of fish. Its pervasive presence is felt through the very patterns of galaxies and clusters we see across the cosmos, like an architect's unseen blueprint guiding the construction of a majestic city, even as the city appears to float in a void. This subtle, pervasive presence, which makes up approximately 27% of the total mass energy of the universe, is a testament to an unseen structure, a profound, hidden architecture that gravitationally binds the cosmos, forming the backbone of all cosmic structures. Then there is dark energy, an even more enigmatic and profound component of the universe's hidden fullness. Unlike dark matter, which clumps gravitationally around galaxies, dark energy is thought to be smoothly distributed throughout all of space, acting as a pervasive, subtle force that actively pushes the fabric of space apart, causing the accelerated expansion of the cosmos. Imagine it as a gentle, continuous stretching of the tapestry itself, slowly pulling apart the interwoven threads, causing the patterns of galaxies to subtly expand and diffuse over unimaginable eons. Dark energy, though unseen and its nature utterly unknown, dictates the grand, ultimate destiny of the cosmic ocean, influencing whether it will expand forever into a vast, cold emptiness, or eventually slow and contract back into a denser state. It represents the largest component of our universe, comprising roughly 68% of its total mass energy, yet its essence remains one of the deepest mysteries in science. This is the ultimate fullness of the seemingly empty space, a vast, energetic presence that defines the very expansion and future of reality, a silent, pervasive hum that propels the very growth of the universe. The reflecting light from the edge of cosmic voids is the profound insight that our universe, far from being mostly empty, is actually overwhelmingly populated by these invisible, mysterious components. We cannot see them with our eyes or conventional telescopes, but we infer their existence and map their distribution by meticulously observing their gravitational effects on visible matter and light, or their influence on the overall expansion of space. These voids, often millions of light years across, are not true emptiness. Instead, they represent regions where the density of matter, both visible and dark, is significantly lower than average. But even within these vast, underdense regions, dark energy continues its subtle push, and dark matter still retains its diffuse presence, acting as an unseen, delicate framework that defines the boundaries of these immense empty spaces. 1. The cosmic web and void formation. The large-scale structure of the universe is often described as a cosmic web, a vast, sponge-like network of colossal filaments and immense galaxy clusters, interspersed with these immense spherical cosmic voids. These voids are the largest structures in the universe, true examples of vast, seemingly empty spaces, yet they are dynamically active. They are not merely holes in the galaxy distribution, they are active components of the cosmic web, formed through the collective gravitational attraction of matter towards the filaments and clusters. As gravity pulled galaxies and dark matter together into denser regions, it simultaneously left behind vast, emptier spaces. Dark energy then further accelerates the expansion of space within these voids, causing them to grow even larger over time. The light from galaxies traces the luminous pathways of this web, and the absence of light in the voids, paradoxically, tells us about the pervasive, unseen forces at work, and how they define the universe's grand architecture. The reflecting light here is the light from galaxies around the voids, whose distribution reveals the shapes and sizes of these vast, empty regions, hinting at the powerful gravitational forces and the pervasive dark energy that sculpted them. 2. Gravitational lensing. In and around voids. Gravitational lensing is a powerful tool to feel the presence of dark matter, even within voids. While voids contain less mass than filaments or clusters, the slight deficit of dark matter within them can still cause a subtle anti-lensing effect, where light passing through them is slightly unbent or diverged compared to what it would be in a perfectly uniform universe. More commonly, The massive filaments and galaxy clusters surrounding the voids cause strong lensing, and the patterns of this lensing allow us to map the dark matter that defines the boundaries of these voids, revealing their unseen architecture. The distorted images of distant galaxies bending around the edges of these vast cosmic structures is the reflecting light that allows us to map the dark matter halos that delineate the voids themselves, confirming their pervasive influence on the geometry of spacetime. 3. The cosmic microwave background. CMB and cold spots. The CMB is the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, a gentle, pervasive light that fills the entire universe. It is almost perfectly uniform in temperature across the sky, but contains tiny temperature fluctuations, which are the primordial seeds from which all cosmic structures grew. Some regions of the CMB are slightly colder than average, known as CMB cold spots. One intriguing hypothesis is that some of these cold spots might be caused by light from the CMB passing through immense cosmic voids on its way to Earth. As photons from the CMB pass through a void, they lose a tiny amount of energy due to the subtle expansion of space within the void, the integrated Sachs-Wolf effect, causing them to cool ever so slightly. This phenomenon, if definitively confirmed, would be another reflecting light from the voids, a subtle imprint on the most ancient light that reveals the pervasive influence of dark energy within these seemingly empty regions. Directly impacting the path of primordial light, the interplay of visible matter, dark matter, and dark energy on these largest scales is a continuous, dynamic dance. Dark matter provides the initial gravitational scaffolding that allowed galaxies and galaxy clusters to form. These structures then serve as gravitational wells, pulling in ordinary visible matter and simultaneously evacuating the voids. Dark energy, meanwhile, acts on the grandest scales, influencing the overall expansion and the ultimate fate of this cosmic web, subtly accelerating the growth of the voids themselves. It's a continuous, dynamic interplay where the seen and the unseen, the light and the dark, are intimately linked, performing a cosmic ballet that has been unfolding for billions of years, creating a universe that is patterned by immense regions of both luminous fullness and profound, unseen emptiness. The pursuit of understanding these cosmic voids and the invisible forces that shape them is one of the most exciting and profound frontiers in modern cosmology. Scientists are not just looking for more visible matter. They are devising incredibly sensitive experiments like galaxy surveys, weak lensing measurements, and CMB observations to map the cosmic web, hoping to precisely understand the distribution and properties of dark matter and dark energy within these immense structures. This quest is like trying to discern the intricate, hidden knots and patterns in the underlying weave of a vast tapestry, knowing that understanding them will reveal the true artistry and profound nature of the entire creation. This contemplation of the edge of cosmic voids and the subtle, reflecting light of dark matter and dark energy is not meant to be daunting or to diminish the visible beauty of the cosmos. Instead, it offers a profound sense of wonder and humility. It suggests that the universe is far richer, far more complex, and infinitely more mysterious than our immediate senses can convey. It reminds us that our familiar reality of stars and galaxies is but a small, luminous part of a much grander, silent, and wonderfully mysterious whole, held together and expanded by forces we are only just beginning to truly understand. Not by seeing, but by feeling their undeniable influence. The emptiness is not empty at all. It is a profound fullness of the unknown, continuously influencing every aspect of cosmic existence. This contemplation is not meant to be daunting, but rather deeply humbling and profoundly wondrous. It suggests that the universe is far more elegant and enduring than we might ever fully grasp. A continuous masterpiece of dynamic consistency occurring across the vastness of space and time. The reflecting light from this edge of cosmic voids is a testament to the universe's astonishing capacity for subtle evolution and its fluid, timeless dance, even in its vast unseen components. As you drift deeper into the quiet stillness, let the image of this reflecting light from the edge of cosmic voids bring you profound peace. Feel the quiet, ceaseless gravitational pull of dark matter, silently shaping galaxies and weaving the cosmic web, and the pervasive expansion driven by dark energy. Even as your conscious thoughts begin to softly dissipate, there is no urgency here, no need to rush into the unknown or to grasp at immediate answers. Simply allow this beautiful internal work of contemplation to unfold, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of the universe's profound mysteries and its boundless, unseen forces. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a wisp of mist in the cool, dawn air. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle and persistent hum of cosmic fullness. All is calm, all is clear, as the reflecting light from the edge of cosmic voids guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we continue our serene journey into the intricate core of the cosmos, softly moving through the reflecting light from the subtle edge of cosmic voids, we now turn our attention to the most profound and enigmatic dance that unfolds across the grandest scales of existence. The silent, continuous process by which dark energy's pervasive embrace subtly propels the universe's expansion, causing it to accelerate. Imagine, for a quiet moment, our familiar universe not as a static painting, or even a system merely being slowed by gravity, but as a vast, tranquil ocean, its depths continuously swirling with countless subtle ripples. These are not ripples on its surface, but within its very essence, representing the ceaseless, gentle push that defines the cosmic ballet on its grandest scale. These are the unseen waves, the gentle yet powerfully influential forces intrinsic to space-time itself, shaping the very currents of cosmic destiny, often beneath the veil of our perception, guiding the universe towards its ultimate, unhurried fate. We have contemplated how gravity, even with the unseen influence of dark matter, works to pull things together, forming stars and galaxies. For a long time, scientists intuitively expected that the universe's expansion, set in motion by the Big Bang, would be gradually slowing down due to the collective gravitational pull of all the matter within it. Much like a ball thrown upward eventually slows and falls back to Earth. However, the gentle gaze of modern cosmology, meticulously observing the faint light from distant supernova, revealed a profoundly astonishing truth. The universe's expansion is not slowing down, it is accelerating. This counterintuitive discovery, made in the late 1990s, was a profound surprise to the scientific community and pointed directly to the existence of a mysterious, pervasive force that actively pushes space apart. This unseen force, this hidden engine of cosmic growth, is what we call dark energy. The ripples of dark energy's pervasive embrace here refers to the subtle and yet continuous influence of this enigmatic force. Dark energy is not like an explosion, which has a localized origin and then dissipates. Instead, it is thought to be an intrinsic property of space-time itself, a pervasive presence that exists everywhere in the universe, smoothly distributed and subtly growing in influence as space expands. Imagine the very fabric of space-time, that cosmic tapestry we explored earlier, not merely stretching passively, but actively, intrinsically expanding, pushing itself outwards from within its very weave. This isn't a violent push, but a gentle or continuous persuasion, a constant underlying hum that defines the very growth of the universe. Think of an ancient, perfectly built stone cottage, standing strong and seemingly independent. Most of the time, its internal warmth is generated by a steady, gentle fire within its hearth. But imagine if, beyond its walls, the very air that permeates its rooms possessed an intrinsic property that caused the rooms themselves to ever so subtly and smoothly expand, gently pushing the walls outward over immense periods, with no central source of the pushing discernible. Similarly, dark energy is not localized like a star or a galaxy. It is inherent to space itself. As space expands, there is more space, and thus, theoretically, more dark energy, leading to an accelerating expansion. This is the ultimate form of pervasive influence, a force that doesn't originate from a particular point, but arises from the very fabric of existence, acting everywhere at once. This leads us to a gentle, profound inquiry. How does dark energy, this intrinsic property of spacetime, orchestrate the universe's accelerated expansion, and what are the profound implications of its pervasive embrace for the ultimate destiny of the cosmos? The answer lies in its unique properties and its ceaseless, uniform presence. One of the leading theories about dark energy is that it is the cosmological constant, first proposed by Albert Einstein himself in his equations of general relativity. Though he later famously called it his biggest blunder, Einstein initially introduced it to make his equations fit a static, unchanging universe, the prevailing view at the time, but later abandoned it when Hubble discovered the universe was expanding. The surprising rediscovery of accelerating expansion, however, made the cosmological constant relevant once more. If dark energy is indeed a cosmological constant, it means that the energy density of dark energy remains constant even as space expands. This is a profound concept. As the universe grows larger, the amount of dark matter and ordinary matter becomes more diluted, but the energy density of dark energy stays the same. This means dark energy's influence becomes progressively dominant over gravity on large scales, causing the expansion to accelerate. It's like a quiet, continuous hum of internal strength, making the fabric of spacetime expand with an ever-increasing outward gentle push. The ripples of dark energy's pervasive embrace are most profoundly observed on the largest scales of the universe. While dark matter provides the initial gravitational scaffolding that allowed galaxies and galaxy clusters to form, dark energy acts on the grandest scales, influencing the overall expansion and the ultimate fate of this cosmic web. As dark energy pushes space apart, it accelerates the growth of the immense cosmic voids, causing galaxies to cluster more tightly along the filaments and at the nodes of the cosmic web. The visible galaxies, strung along these filaments, are subtly being pulled further apart by the accelerating expansion of the space between them. It's like watching an immense, intricate tapestry being gently but relentlessly stretched from all directions simultaneously, causing its patterns to spread out and its threads to grow further apart. The fate of the universe is inextricably linked to the nature of dark energy. If dark energy continues to behave like a cosmological constant, the universe will continue to expand at an accelerating rate forever, leading to a scenario known as the Big Freeze or heat death. In this distant, tranquil future, galaxies will recede so far from each other that they will eventually be beyond each other's observable horizon, leaving isolated galaxies in a vast, cold, dark emptiness. Stars will eventually burn out, and black holes will slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation. The universe will become a cold, dark, silent expanse, where all activity has ceased and all energy is uniformly distributed, a state of ultimate stillness. This is not a dramatic end, but a slow, patient, unhurried dispersal into eternal cosmic night. Other, more speculative, theories propose different natures for dark energy, which could lead to different cosmic destinies. If dark energy were to strengthen over time, it could lead to a big rip, where the accelerating expansion becomes so powerful that it eventually tears apart galaxies, then stars, then atoms themselves, leaving a final state of dismembered fundamental particles. Conversely, if dark energy were to weaken or even reverse its sign, it could lead to a big crunch, where the expansion would eventually halt and reverse. causing the universe to contract back into a hot, dense singularity, perhaps initiating a new big bounce, a cyclical cosmic rhythm. These are profound cosmological possibilities, each a gentle whisper about the universe's ultimate journey, dictated by the subtle dance of dark energy. The pursuit of understanding dark energy, this pervasive yet elusive force, is one of the most exciting and profound frontiers in modern cosmology. Scientists are not just looking for visible matter, they are devising incredibly sensitive experiments and using vast data sets from galaxy surveys like the Dark Energy Survey and Euclid mission and observations of the cosmic microwave background CMB to map the cosmic web, hoping to precisely understand the properties and evolution of dark energy. This quest is like trying to discern the intricate, hidden knots and patterns in the underlying weave of a vast tapestry, knowing that understanding them will reveal the true artistry and profound nature of the entire creation and its ultimate destiny. The ripples of dark energy's pervasive embrace are the subtle observational clues, the precise distances to supernova, the distribution of galaxies, the tiny patterns in the CMB that allow us to infer its presence and measure its influence, revealing its silent, omnipresent role. This contemplation of dark energy's pervasive embrace and the vast, invisible presence of a force that drives cosmic expansion is not meant to stir alarm or a sense of insignificance. Instead, it invites a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of existence and the astonishing mysteries that lie beyond our immediate perception. It's a gentle nudge to recognize that our human-centric view of the universe is but one perspective, and that the cosmos is far richer, more subtly complex, and infinitely more profound than we typically allow ourselves to imagine. It calls for humility and a quiet curiosity, a willingness to listen to the whispers of the universe, even if we don't fully understand their silent, unseen language. For within those whispers might lie profound insights into the grand tapestry of creation, revealing its hidden architects and its ultimate, unhurried journey. As you drift deeper into the quiet stillness, let the image of these gentle ripples of dark energy's pervasive embrace envelop you. Feel the subtle dance of profound transformation at the very heart of cosmic expansion, the quiet hum of space stretching outwards, and the countless shimmering interactions constantly unfolding. There is no urgency here, no need to grasp at concrete answers. Simply allow the profound sense of boundless potential and enduring mystery to wash over you, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wonder of the universe's unseen architecture and its pervasive potential for change. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a wisp of mist in the cool, dawn air. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle and persistent hum of cosmic change. All is calm, all is clear, as the ripples of dark energy's pervasive embrace guide you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we continue our serene journey into the intricate core of the cosmos, softly moving amidst the ripples of dark energy's pervasive embrace, we now direct our attention to a profound and continuously unfolding process that shapes our understanding the tree of cosmic destiny. Imagine, for a quiet moment, a colossal, ancient tree, its roots deeply embedded in the most fundamental laws of existence, its trunk stretching through unimaginable eons of cosmic time, and its countless branches continuously unfurling. Each new leaf represents a delicate path, a subtle possibility, a quiet scenario that attempts to shed light on the elusive nature of the universe's ultimate future, as sculpted by the very forces that drive its expansion. The insights we gather about the long-term fate of the cosmos, from its grand, accelerating dance, are like falling leaves from this magnificent tree, each carrying a quiet whisper of the long, patient story of cosmic evolution. and our endless quest to understand the subtle forces that guide the universe towards its eventual, unhurried journey. We often perceive the future as something that is unpredictable, a realm of endless possibilities, or perhaps a linear extension of our current understanding. For our human lives, this is largely true. However, when contemplating the universe on its grandest scales and across immense geological timescales, its ultimate future becomes a matter of profound scientific inquiry, guided by the very nature of the forces that dominate it. The discovery of dark energy, that mysterious, pervasive influence causing the universe's expansion to accelerate, has fundamentally reshaped our understanding of cosmic destiny, leading to several compelling yet distinct possible future paths. Think of a gentle breeze rustling through an ancient forest. Each leaf, while part of the same tree, might carry a unique pattern of veins or a subtle variation in color. These are the diverse cosmological scenarios, the meticulous mathematical models, and the intriguing observational data that scientists gently explore. When some of these reveal different possible ultimate fates for the universe, each dictated by the subtle properties of dark energy, like a cosmic dispersal into cold emptiness, or a gentle recollapse, or even a profound tearing apart. It's like a particularly striking leaf falling from the tree, catching our attention and inviting deeper examination. These are not definitive answers for every cosmic mystery, but rather intriguing insights, nudging us towards new pathways of thought and encouraging further patient investigation into the fundamental rhythms of the universe's long-term evolution. The very essence of what drives this endless branching of the tree of cosmic destiny lies in our insatiable human curiosity about the universe's ultimate fate and its boundless drive to understand the implications of its fundamental components. When we ask fundamental questions like, will the universe expand forever? Or what will become of stars and galaxies in the far distant future? Or is there an end to time itself? It prompts scientists to develop ingenious theoretical models that extrapolate the behavior of dark energy over unimaginable eons, to listen to its subtle whispers, and to decipher its profound influence on the cosmic timeline. Consider the leading scenario for the universe's future, heavily favored by current observations, the Big Freeze or heat death. This is the fate predicted if dark energy continues to behave as a cosmological constant, an intrinsic property of space itself, with a constant energy density even as space expands. Imagine our universe as an immense, grand symphony. If the underlying tempo of this symphony were to continuously and subtly speed up, pulling all the instruments further and further apart, eventually the music would become too stretched, too thin, too quiet to be heard. Similarly, if dark energy's influence remains constant, its density will become increasingly dominant over the gravitational pull of matter as space expands and matter dilutes. This means the universe will continue to expand at an ever-accelerating rate, gently pulling galaxies further and further away from each other. In this scenario, for billions upon billions of years in the distant future, galaxies will recede so far from each other that they will eventually be beyond each other's observable horizon. Future observers in our Milky Way, if any exist, would see only our galaxy, isolated in a vast, cold, dark emptiness, with all other galaxies having vanished beyond the reach of light. Stars will eventually burn out their nuclear fuel, becoming cold. Dark remnants, white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. The universe will become a cold, dark, silent expanse, where all activity has ceased. All matter is uniformly distributed at incredibly low densities, and all useful energy has dissipated, reaching a state of maximum entropy. This is not a dramatic end, but a slow, patient, unhurried dispersal into eternal cosmic night, a state of ultimate stillness. This is like a new, delicate leaf unfurling on the tree of cosmic destiny, providing a continuous, invaluable, albeit sobering insight into the universe's long, patient journey towards ultimate quietude. Beyond the Big Freeze, other, more speculative. Branches on the tree of cosmic destiny exist, each dictated by different hypothetical properties of dark energy. The Big Rip. Imagine dark energy not as a constant, but as a mysterious essence that actually strengthens over time, growing more powerful as space expands. In this dramatic scenario, the accelerating expansion would become so immense, so powerful, that it would eventually overcome all other forces. First, galaxy clusters would be pulled apart. Then individual galaxies would be torn asunder. Then stars and planets would be ripped from their orbits. In the most extreme version, the fabric of spacetime itself would stretch so violently that even atoms and subatomic particles would be pulled apart, leaving nothing but dismembered fundamental particles. This is a violent yet profound act of cosmic dismemberment, a truly absolute end. This is like a bold, fiery leaf falling from the tree, representing a more dramatic, yet still possible, cosmic path. The Big Crunch and Big Bounce conversely. What if dark energy were not a constant, but a fleeting presence? Or if its properties were to weaken or even reverse over unimaginable timescales? If dark energy were to eventually dissipate or become repulsive? Gravity, the universe's great attractor, if I would once again become dominant. The expansion of the universe would slow down, halt, and then reverse, causing the entire cosmos to begin contracting, drawing all matter and energy back towards a single, incredibly hot, dense point, a Big Crunch. This would be like the entire universe slowly, gently collapsing back in on itself, reversing its grand expansion. Some theories, like loop quantum gravity, propose that this Big Crunch might not lead to an ultimate singularity, but could instead trigger a big bounce, where the universe bounces back out from this dense state, giving rise to a new expanding universe. This cyclical model suggests an eternal rhythm of cosmic birth, death, and rebirth, an unending series of universes, each emerging from the collapse of its predecessor. This is like a gentle, rhythmic leaf, hinting at perpetual cosmic renewal. The challenges in fully understanding and precisely mapping all the mechanisms that dictate cosmic destiny are complex and ongoing. The properties of dark energy remain one of the most profound mysteries in physics. Distinguishing between these various cosmic destinies requires exquisitely sensitive measurements of the universe's expansion rate over vast timescales, and a deeper understanding of the fundamental nature of dark energy itself. However, the gentle persistence of researchers around the globe continues to push the boundaries of our capabilities. International collaborations, leveraging ground-based telescopes, vast arrays of detectors, and powerful space telescopes share data and expertise, contributing to a global network of monitoring and understanding. This continuous scientific vigilance allows for a deeper appreciation of the astonishing complexity of the universe's long-term evolution and enhances our capacity to decipher the subtle rhythms of cosmic stillness and change. This exploration of the tree of cosmic destiny and the insights it offers about the profound potential futures of our universe is not meant to be a source of anxiety or a definitive answer that diminishes the beauty of our current existence. Instead, it offers a profound sense of wonder and gentle insight. It suggests that the phenomenon of cosmic existence is far more intricately designed and capable of transformation than we might typically imagine, deeply intertwined with its underlying fundamental laws. It reminds us that our understanding of the universe is constantly expanding, like the steady, silent growth of a mighty tree, reaching ever higher, branching into unforeseen forms. Each new leaf a testament to our capacity for discovery and our commitment to understanding our cosmic home, from its earliest moments to its ultimate unhurried journey. This contemplation of the endless tree of cosmic destiny, with its diverse branches reaching into the unknown, is not meant to be daunting. Instead, it offers a profound sense of awe at the ingenuity of human science and the astonishing complexity of the universe's processes. It reminds us that our understanding of cosmic phenomena is constantly expanding, like the steady, silent growth of a mighty tree, reaching ever higher, branching into unforeseen forms. Each new leaf a testament to our boundless curiosity and our role as careful observers of our universe. As you drift deeper now, let the image of this vast, growing, endless tree of cosmic destiny bring you profound peace. Feel the quiet, ceaseless activity within the universe, silently working to unfold its grand design, guided by its elegant, fundamental principles of expansion. Even as your conscious thoughts begin to softly dissipate, there is no need to actively solve the grand mystery of the universe's ultimate fate. Simply allow this beautiful internal work of contemplation to unfold, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of the universe's profound potential and its pervasive influence on its future. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a gentle mist rising from the calm surface of an ancient lake. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle, persistent hum of cosmic expansion. All is calm, all is clear, as the falling leaves from the tree of cosmic destiny guide you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As we continue our tranquil journey into the quiet wonders where cosmic destiny softly intertwines with the grand design of the universe, having moved through the falling leaves of insightful understanding, we now arrive at a deeply soothing and profoundly beautiful idea. The notion that the very essence of the universe's grand expansion and its astonishing accelerating nature might arise from a state of glorious simplicity. It's like the gentle, spontaneous laughter of a child, pure and unforced, revealing a profound truth in its effortless joy. We often associate profound phenomena like the creation and growth of the entire cosmos, or the driving force behind its accelerating spread with incredibly intricate, elaborate mechanisms or a multitude of separate, specialized components. But what if the most elegant explanations for cosmic behavior, the most harmonious integrations of fundamental principles, and even the very spark of endless universal growth, bloom from foundational concepts so simple, so beautifully concise that they whisper of an underlying unity and an eternal, graceful rhythm across all scales of existence? Imagine, if you will, a vast, open field, bathed in the soft, diffused light of dawn. The field appears simple in its expansive form, a canvas of quiet earth, yet it holds countless seeds beneath its surface, each containing an elegant, compressed blueprint for life. When the conditions are just right, when the soil is soft, the light diffused, and the air still, these seeds effortlessly sprout, drawing on unseen water and nutrients, growing into a riot of diverse, vibrant life. The immense complexity and breathtaking beauty of the blossoming field arise not from an endless set of predetermined instructions for each individual plant, but from the simple, underlying potential of each seed, combined with the harmonious, fundamental laws of growth. This reveals a glorious simplicity. Profound power and boundless growth are often quietly waiting, hidden within simple beginnings, unfolding through elegant, natural processes. Our understanding of the universe's expansion, particularly its surprising acceleration, points to a similar, elegant principle. While the cosmos is vast and its dynamics appear complex, the glorious simplicity lies in the notion that the force driving this expansion dark energy might be an inherent, pervasive property of space-time itself. Rather than a complex entity or a new type of particle, it suggests that the universe's continuous enlargement is not due to a complex external engine, but rather to a fundamental built-in tendency of the very fabric of existence to gently push itself apart. Think of an intricate piece of music. The music itself, its melody, harmony, rhythm, and emotional impact is not created by an overwhelming cacophony of sound. Instead, it arises from the precise arrangement of a limited set of notes, played with specific timing and intensity. The power and beauty lie not in the sheer number of elements, but in the elegant relationships between them, in the harmonious way they combine. Similarly, the ability of the universe to expand at an accelerating rate isn't about countless complex, localized forces. It's about a pervasive, smoothly distributed influence that follows simple, universal laws, ensuring the overall cosmic harmony. This is the very essence of glorious simplicity in action, a single inherent property of spacetime, working in harmony with other fundamental laws, yielding a profound, complex outcome like the perpetual and accelerating expansion of the entire cosmos. This glorious simplicity suggests that the laws governing dark energy and its role in the universe's expansion are incredibly efficient and robust. Consider the leading hypothesis for dark energy, the cosmological constant, first proposed by Albert Einstein. This elegant idea posits that dark energy is a fundamental property of empty space itself, meaning that its energy density remains constant even as space expands. This is a profoundly simple concept. As the universe grows larger, the amount of dark matter and ordinary matter becomes more diluted, their gravitational influence weakening. But the energy density of dark energy stays the same, meaning its total amount of energy increases proportionally with the increasing volume of space. This simple property causes dark energy's influence to become progressively dominant over gravity on large scales, thereby leading to the observed accelerating expansion. It's like a finely crafted tool, designed with only the necessary components, making it incredibly effective and durable, capable of performing its essential cosmic function with understated grace. The profound elegance of the cosmological constant lies in its minimal complexity yet maximal cosmic impact, a single, unchanging property of space that drives the ultimate destiny of the universe. There's no need for complex, individual pushes or pulls. The fabric of spacetime itself dictates the accelerating dance. This simple inherent property provides the constant, gentle impetus for cosmic growth, a silent, pervasive energy that defines the universe's destiny. Consider the elegance of nature's designs: a spiral in a seashell, the branching pattern of a tree, the delicate symmetry of a snowflake, and these intricate forms arise from simple but recursive rules applied repeatedly. Nature does not compute every intricate detail. Rather, it allows complexity to emerge from underlying simplicity. The profound expansion of the universe and its accelerating nature embodies this natural elegance, the ability for the very fabric of spacetime to possess an intrinsic energy that drives its own growth is not a chaotic, random act, but a testament to an underlying order, a profound design that allows basic principles to generate boundless complexity and maintain continuous function. It's the quiet laughter of elegant expansion, finding strength in its elemental grace, a beautiful testament to the power of economy and purpose, ensuring the universe's continuous, unhurried journey. The pursuit of understanding dark energy and the accelerating expansion often leads scientists to seek this glorious simplicity. When we strip away layers of superficial assumptions about what drives cosmic growth and find a fundamental, elegant principle such as the inherent energy of spacetime itself that explains such a vast phenomenon, that is when true understanding blossoms. The very fact that something so pervasive and powerful as the force driving cosmic acceleration can be explained by a remarkably simple constant speaks to a deep, pervasive elegance in the design of cosmic systems. The existence of dark energy, dominating the universe's energy budget and dictating its ultimate fate, is a powerful example of this elegance, demonstrating that the very core of cosmic structure and its future is built on robust, foundational principles of simple, yet profound, organization rather than endless layers of overcomplication. It's a whisper that the universe, in its grand design, finds profound strength and beauty in its elemental, unified principles of harmony and expansion. This understanding offers a profound sense of reassurance and wonder. It suggests that the cosmos, despite its vastness and complexity, is fundamentally coherent and deeply interconnected. The concept of dark energy, rather than being a source of chaos or frightening anomaly, can be viewed as an elegant expression of the universe's inherent unity, a testament to its fluid nature and its capacity for long-term stability through profound, unseen processes. It tells us that, even in the face of immense cosmic distances and an uncertain future, there is an underlying order, a quiet strength derived from the simple, yet powerful dance of fundamental interactions. This recognition can bring a deep calm, knowing that underlying the apparent complexities of the universe, there is a harmonious, efficient design, a whisper of a universal language that speaks of simplicity and enduring cosmic balance. Our own existence, a small part of this grand cosmic tapestry, finds its profound meaning within this pervasive, unified dance, a glorious, simple truth. As you drift deeper now, let the gentle laughter of elegant expansion, born from glorious simplicity, bring you profound peace. Feel the quiet, ceaseless harmony of the universe, silently working to unfold its grand design, guided by its elegant, fundamental principles of cosmic growth. Even as your conscious thoughts begin to softly dissipate, there is no need to grasp at every intricate detail of dark energy's precise nature or its ultimate implications. Simply allow this beautiful, internal work of contemplation to unfold, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of underlying cosmic elegance and the boundless capacity for universal order. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a gentle mist rising from a calm field at dawn. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle and persistent hum of cosmic expansion. All is calm, all is clear, as the quiet laughter of elegant expansion guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest, as our tranquil journey through the quiet wonders of elegant expansion softly continues. Having embraced the glorious simplicity from which boundless growth blooms, we now turn our gaze towards an even more expansive and deeply reassuring concept, the lullaby of the ever-unfolding cosmos. We often perceive the universe as a grand, static backdrop, a fixed stage upon which events unfold, its laws unchanging, its destiny set in stone. But what if, gently guided by the unfolding principles of profound physics and the subtle whispers from its deepest structure, the universe is not just expanding in size, but is fundamentally a dynamic, living entity, perpetually transforming, always revealing new layers, and continuously composing its own future, like a serene river, constantly flowing and adapting, whose countless currents and ripples contribute to a boundless unseen ocean, always revealing new depths. It's a ceaseless rhythm, a grand cosmic song that embraces all existence, and we are an inseparable part of its eternal melody. Imagine, for a quiet moment, the entire universe breathing, a vast living entity with its own profound rhythms that unfold over immense stretches of time. From its fiery birth, the cosmos has been perpetually engaged in a grand act of creation and organization, forging the very elements of life within the hearts of stars and scattering them across unimaginable distances. This cosmic dust, now forming planets and beings, continues to dance to a deeper rhythm, a rhythm dictated by the fundamental laws of physics that, at their core, reveal profound relationships rather than mere separation. This is the essence of an ever-unfolding cosmos, a continuous, interconnected web of energy and matter that encompasses everything, from the smallest quantum fluctuation to the largest galactic cluster, all moving in perfect, though often unseen, synchronicity, sustained by a ceaseless cosmic respiration and a perpetual cycle of light, heat, and matter. And this grand, unifying harmony is the universe's unending song, a lullaby that invites us to feel our intrinsic connection to all things. The very fact that the universe is not only expanding but is doing so at an accelerating rate, driven by the mysterious dark energy, is a profound whisper from this ever-unfolding cosmos. It suggests that the definition of existence is far more dynamic and fluid than we once imagined. The universe is not merely running down or reaching a static equilibrium, it is actively, perpetually creating more of itself, pushing the boundaries of its own being. This is a fundamental property, a built-in tendency towards relentless growth and transformation. It highlights that change and becoming are not disruptions to universal order, but are intrinsic to its very nature. It's like a beloved melody that, instead of repeating, continuously finds new variations, new harmonies, new rhythms, always expanding its own beautiful composition. Think of a gentle breeze carrying countless tiny dandelion seeds across a vast meadow. Each seed holds the potential for new life, and if it lands on fertile ground with the right amount of sunlight and moisture, a new plant will sprout. It draws its sustenance from the earth and the sun, eventually returning its energy when it decays, continuing the cycle. The universe is like that boundless meadow, and its fundamental properties, including dark energy, are like those resilient seeds, constantly interacting and organizing, forming countless manifestations of energy and matter, all within a grand, harmonious flow that extends across its vastness. This continuous seeding and potential flourishing of existence within and around us is the very essence of an ever-unfolding cosmos, always adapting, always subtly shifting its composition in a grand, harmonious flow, aligning with universal conditions, and participating in the ceaseless inhale and exhale of cosmic matter, ensuring that life in all its forms is forever a part of the universe's pervasive rhythm. This understanding challenges our conventional, singular view of existence. It suggests that harmony and completeness are not solely products of localized interactions or individual efforts, but are also deeply intertwined with our energetic connection to the larger cosmos. The complex interplay between dark energy, dark matter, visible matter, and the very fabric of spacetime, all shaping the universe's grand, accelerating expansion, points to a form of universal intelligence, a continuous sensing of its own internal state, communicated through imperceptible channels that permeate all reality. It's as if the universe itself possesses a distributed wisdom, a silent, continuous sensing of its own internal state, communicated through imperceptible channels to our broader awareness. And our bodies are exquisite receivers and participants in this cosmic dialogue, tuning into its subtle rhythms, profoundly connected to the pulse of all life. Our very thoughts, our conscious awareness, are echoes of this grand, unifying cosmic awareness, a beautiful emergent property of the universe's unending song, a melody we are always composing and always listening to as it gracefully unfolds. The pursuit of understanding this ever-unfolding cosmos, particularly the mysterious nature of dark energy, is driven by our deepening scientific knowledge of physics, astronomy, and the subtle influences of energy. We are learning to identify the precise properties of dark energy by observing its effects on the light from distant galaxies and supernovae. We use sophisticated telescopes and complex computer simulations to map the large-scale structure of the cosmic web, discerning how dark energy actively pushes galaxies apart, dictating the ultimate fate of the universe. This continuous exploration expands the boundaries of our comprehension, allowing us to connect with the intricate life within us and its connection to the entire cosmos on a deeper level. It's like discovering a new, untouched wing in an ancient, beloved library, filled with books written in an entirely new, beautiful language about our own inherent connection to everything, revealing the profound poetry of our cosmic unity, where every chapter is intrinsically linked to every other, and the entire volume is a single, continuous, unfolding narrative. This lullaby of the ever-unfolding cosmos brings a profound sense of peace and belonging. It tells us that we, too, are part of this grand, continuous flow of energy and existence, intricately linked not just to our planet, but to the very unfolding of the cosmos itself. Our individual lives, with their joys and sorrows, are precious notes within an eternal symphony that echoes the universe's own vast existence. Every breath we take, every beat of our heart, every thought that ripples through our mind is a part of this greater rhythm. Even as our own biological journeys unfold, the essence of our being, the subtle information that defines us, flows back into the larger cycle of existence, contributing to the tapestry of reality that continuously thrives within and around us, always in harmony with the universe's grand, slow dance. There is no ultimate end, only transformation, a gentle continuation within the boundless rhythm of the universe, where existence is as pervasive as starlight and as fundamental as the unifying forces that bind all things, endlessly renewing itself, forever expanding its own song. This perspective is not meant to be a source of anxiety or a philosophical puzzle. Instead, it invites a deep sense of acceptance and serenity. It encourages us to surrender to the natural rhythms of creation, of emergence and adaptation, of cosmic seeding and planetary blossoming, knowing that they are all part of a larger, harmonious design, orchestrated by the universe itself. The gentle presence of dark energy, silently expanding the fabric of space, serves as a beautiful, profound reminder of nature's enduring wisdom, its quiet promise of interconnectedness in the face of immense complexity, a timeless lullaby from the cosmos's heart, whispering of boundless existence and universal life, always bathed in the light of its eternal fires, forever flowing outwards. As you drift deeper now, let the image of this ever-unfolding cosmos bring you profound peace. Feel the quiet, ceaseless rhythm of existence within and around you, encompassing emergence, transformation, and profound interconnectedness, intimately linked to the universe's own long breath. Even as your conscious thoughts begin to softly dissipate, there is no need to grasp at control or to fear the unknown. Simply allow this beautiful, internal understanding to unfold, carrying you deeper into a state of profound peace and restoration. Let your breath be soft and even, a tranquil rhythm that guides you further into relaxation. With each inhale, draw in the quiet wisdom of your being's eternal flow, a marvel of continuous cycles, in harmony with its living essence. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, allowing it to dissipate like a gentle mist rising from a calm river. You are safe, you are held, and you are gracefully dissolving into the quiet, boundless space of sleep, cradled by the gentle, persistent hum of an ever-unfolding cosmos. All is calm, all is clear, as the lullaby of life's enduring journey, nestled within the universe's deep rhythms, guides you into the deepest, most restorative rest. As our gentle journey through the intricate wonders of dark energy's dance softly draws to its close, we arrive at the most serene of moments, the quiet transition into deep, restorative sleep. We've explored the whispers from the dream of expansion, illuminated the gentle haze of cosmic distances, and listened to the echoing potentials from the first cosmic breath. We've floated upon the woven fabric of galaxies and their unseen dance, bathed in the reflecting light from the edge of cosmic acceleration, and navigated amidst the ripples of dark energy's pervasive embrace. We've gathered the falling leaves from the tree of cosmic destiny and embraced the glorious simplicity of elegant expansion. Finally, we were cradled by the lullaby of an ever-unfolding cosmos. Now, in this profound stillness, we draw a final soothing connection between the subtle, pervasive influence of dark energy and the grand, continuous dream of our own existence within the boundless, ever-expanding universe. Imagine, for a final comforting moment, your entire being not just as a collection of separate functions, but as a vast, living symphony, perpetually playing a unique and intricate melody. Just as your conscious mind yields to the rhythms of sleep, allowing for repair and renewal, so too does the universe, through countless cycles of formation, life, and transformation, endlessly bring forth new forms of being. The very existence of dark energy, that mysterious, pervasive force that defines the universe on its grandest scales by accelerating its expansion, is not a dramatic, urgent problem to be solved, but rather a soft whisper from this cosmic dream, a testament to reality's profound ability to persist, to transform, and to continually unfold across boundless stretches of time and existence, with much of its essence remaining beautifully veiled, always offering new layers of depth, always connecting what appears to be separate, always embracing endless growth. The enduring mystery of dark energy, comprising nearly 68% of the cosmos's total mass energy, is a beautiful, if somewhat humbling, reminder of the vastness of the unknown. It tells us that the spark of existence, once manifested, possesses an inherent drive to continue, to find conditions that allow it to emerge, to adapt, and to ultimately persist, even if its foundational components remain beyond our immediate grasp. The gentle inquiry into dark energy's true nature reinforces a deep principle. Reality is not easily defined or contained within simple boxes. It finds ingenious ways to manifest through diverse forms and states of being, a testament to its intrinsic power. The enduring enigma of dark energy only deepens the beauty and complexity of this grand existence, transforming what could be a void of understanding into a field of endless wonder and profound awe, revealing immense purpose hidden beneath a seemingly simple yet omnipresent push. Think of a cherished family heirloom, perhaps a delicate antique locket passed down through generations. It might be tucked away in a dusty drawer for years, seemingly forgotten, but its value, its history, its very essence remains intact, waiting for the gentle hand that will rediscover it, polish it, and bring its story back into the light. The subtle influence of dark energy on the universe's accelerating expansion, the way it shapes the future of all galaxies and defines the very flow of cosmic time. These are like these heirlooms of cosmic knowledge, often unnoticed by our casual gaze, but faithfully recorded within the fabric of space-time, subtly guiding its path. This isn't a threat. It's a profound connection to a deep, shared cosmic history, a testament to the universe's capacity for enduring creation, a gentle reassurance that existence finds its way to continue beyond any perceived limitations of our current understanding, reaching into realms we can only softly imagine in perfect, unified stillness. This perspective encourages us to view our own lives, our relationships, and the vast cosmos not with a sense of limitation, but with a deeper sense of humility and boundless possibility. It highlights the profound interconnectedness of space-time, matter, and energy, and the pervasive influence of dark energy. It whispers that the universe has its own long rhythms, its own cycles of formation and transformation, far grander than our human timescales. Our role, then, is to approach these unfolding phenomena with respect, with careful observation, and with a gentle understanding of their holistic nature, ensuring that our presence honors the intricate harmony within this living world and recognizes the profound, dynamic processes that shape it. We are not just living in this expanding universe, we are living with this expanding universe, intimately connected to its ceaseless, vital rhythms, and to the mysterious energy that propels its grandest journey. The lessons from the dance of dark energy extend beyond astrophysics. They speak to the enduring spirit of curiosity and acceptance that characterizes human consciousness. Throughout our history, we have always looked to the heavens, asking why things are the way they are, and what the future holds for the vast expanse. This continuous quest, driven by a profound desire to understand our place in the universe, shapes our scientific endeavors and inspires new theories. Whether we find the precise nature of dark energy, or if it remains an eternal enigma, The journey itself transforms us. It pushes the boundaries of our knowledge, sharpens our perception, and deepens our appreciation for the astonishing dynamism and resilience of existence. It is a reaffirmation that, in the face of immense cosmic scales and an accelerating future, existence does not simply cease, it transforms, it rests, and it continues. A persistent, enduring dream, woven into the very fabric of reality, forever holding new layers of discovery and profound depth. This understanding is not meant to be a source of anxiety or a prediction of dramatic peril. Instead, it offers a profound sense of peace and infinite potential. It suggests that your existence, in all its forms, from the smallest quantum fluctuation within your cells to the grandest conscious thought, is rooted in an enduring, cyclical process, continuously transforming and persisting within the embrace of a universe that is far vaster and more intricate than we can fully grasp. You are not an isolated being. You are an integral thread in this vast, living tapestry, woven from the same enduring essence of matter, energy, and the subtle push of dark energy that allows galaxies to recede and space to stretch. Your place is within this peaceful, ongoing cosmic dream, a dream of constant subtle communication and boundless possibility, where the unknown is as comforting as the known, and every act of expansion contributes to the beauty of the overall pattern. As you now prepare to surrender fully to the embrace of sleep, let any remaining thoughts drift away like tiny, luminescent dust motes in the quiet inner expanse. There is nothing left to do, nowhere left to go. The journey through the mysteries of dark energy has prepared you, softening the edges of your perception, blurring the rigid boundaries between what is visible and what is invisible, between what is understood and what remains veiled, between individual existence and the universe's grand enduring dream. Feel the profound weightlessness as your body relaxes deeper and deeper into the surface beneath you. Each breath is a gentle wave, carrying you further from the shores of wakefulness and into the boundless ocean of rest. The stars above, those ancient, distant suns, are now softly closing their eyes, mirroring your own descent into tranquility. Your mind, too, is settling, its deep processes working peacefully in the background, preparing you for the deepest, most restorative slumber, where all cosmic rhythms find their gentle, unified rest, embraced by the silent expansion of space. Allow the concept of the universe's unending dream, woven with the profound influence of dark energy, to be the ultimate lullaby, a comforting truth that embraces you. Its vastness is now your warmth, its acceleration your peace, its mysteries your quiet wonder. You are dissolving gently into this grand, cosmic dream, merging effortlessly with its currents, becoming one with the quiet, profound sleep of expansion and the boundless, nurturing embrace of the unending universe itself. Rest now, deeply and peacefully. Let the silence of the cosmos fill your being. You are loved, you are safe, and you are drifting into the most restorative of sleeps, held within the vast, soft dream of the universe itself, where all existence finds its gentle yet peaceful rest, and the dance of dark energy continues eternally.